So next is the nodal analysis with voltage source. So we have seen the nodal analysis without voltage. Previous problems are nodal analysis without voltage source. You know, here there is a voltage source. So this is the, we are going to see the nodal analysis with voltage source. Okay. So here first find the node. Okay. So how many nodes are here? So node 1, here see 1, 2 resistors are joining, and here it is node 2. This is node 2. Okay, so here the voltage which is flowing across this node 1 is V1 and this is V2. Okay, and here another one voltage is there, that is 10 volt. Okay, so the voltage which is flowing along, here also the voltage 10 volt only. Okay, so here this is not a node because only one resistor is meeting, only two nodes are there, V1 and V2. Okay, you can simplify it and also draw the diagram as this form. So how many nodes are there? Two nodes, V1 and V2. So node 1, what is the incoming current source? That is 5 ampere. Okay, so the current source is 5 ampere. So it is 5 ampere. And next to see, we have put the direction I1, I2 are outwards from the node, and I3, I4 also it is outward from the node. So next one is the resistor 3 ohm. Okay, so here this is the reference node, you know, reference node is 0. Okay, 0 volt. So here, and next one the resistor 10 ohm. Okay, here resistor 10 ohm. So here the current is I1. The current flowing through this resistor is I1. And next here there is another resistor. The resistor value is 5 ohm, and the current which is flowing across this is I3. Okay, and next here also from this node the voltage is 10 volt. Okay, and another one resistor is here. Okay, another one resistor is here, so which is joining in this node. This resistor value is 1 ohm and it is 10 volt. Okay, it is 10 volt. So you can redraw this circuit. Redraw பண்ணாலும் உங்களுக்கு என்னவா இருக்கும், ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். Okay, so the current which is flowing through this is I4. So now listen, what is at node 1 apply Kirchhoff's current law. So the incoming current is 5 and outgoing current is I1 and I2. Okay, I1 and I2. So I1 plus I2 equal to 5. So what is I1? V1 minus 0 divided by 10. And what is I2? V1 minus V2 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to 5. So now after taking LCM, you got this value. Otherwise, divide separator, divide பண்ணி எடுக்கலாம். And next for node 2, what are the incoming current? I2 and outgoing current are I3 and I5. Okay, so what is I1? V1 minus V2 by 3. And what is I3? V2 minus the voltage is 0 by 5. And what is I4? I4, so listen, I4 is V2, and here there is another voltage. This is important. Voltage source irukka edathila innor voltage inga enna irukku, 10 volt. So V2 minus 10 divided by 1. Okay, so positive current வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, இங்க இந்த வோல்டேஜ்ல drop தானே ஆகுது, இப்படி தான் போகுது, இப்படி தானே, plus to minus. So in this directionல தான் வருது. ஸோ அதனால direction இப்படியே போட்டுக்கலாம். இதே இது இங்கே ப்ளஸ் இங்கே மைனஸ் இருந்தா கரண்ட் ரைஸ் ஆகுது. Okay, so here it is going in this form the current. So we are writing as V2 minus 10 divided by 1. Okay, V2 minus V3 divided by 1. So after simplifying, you got this equation. So the two equations are, we got two equations, and now you can solve using the calculator, using the equation. So take the mode form as the equation mode. Okay, so equation. So here how many unknowns are there? Two unknowns. Okay, how many unknowns? Two unknowns are there. So first equation value is 13, and next one minus 10, and next one 150, and the next value is here, what is the value? 5, and next value is minus 23, and the last value is minus 150. Okay, so here what is the answer? The first answer, that is V1 equal to 19.87 volt, and V2 is equal to 10.84 volt. Okay, so it is the answer. We want to find the voltage. So next they have asked to find the current. So what is I1 current? What is the value of I1? I1 is equal to V1 by 10. So V1 by 10 means here what is V1 value? V1 value is 19.87 divided by 10. Okay, so what is 19.87 divided by 10? So you want to shift one place. Okay, so the value is 1.987. So I1 value is 1.987 ampere. And next, what is I2? I2 is V1 minus V2 by 3. Okay, so what is V1 value? What is V1 value? I2 is V1 minus V2 by 3. Okay, so V1 value is 19.87 minus 10.84, which is equal to divided by 3. So the answer is 3.01 ampere. 3.01 ampere. Next I3. What is I3 value? I3 value is V2 by 5. What is V2 value? V2 we got 10.84. So V2 by 5. 10.84 divided by 5. So the answer is 2.168 ampere. Next I4. V2 minus V3 by V2 minus V3 value is 10. Okay. So V2 is 10.84 minus 10 divided by, what is the value? 1. Okay. So the answer same value 0.84. Okay. So I4 value is 0.84 ampere. Okay. 0.84 ampere. So we have find the voltage value as well as the current value. So current I1 is equal to 1.97. I2 is equal to 3.01 ampere. I3 is equal to 2.168 ampere and I4 is equal to 0.84 ampere. Okay. So this is the node analysis with voltage source.